Memorial Day, and but fortunately for us, Urban Plates is open. Urban Plates offers grass-fed meats, grass-fed steaks and chickens and all that. So we're gonna go there and eat a little bit of grass-fed food, and then we're gonna try to go for a hike at Upper Bay, Newport. We'll see how that goes, but Memorial Day 2025. Yeah. I am gonna drink it, but I need to go to the restroom. Oh yeah, cactus. You see it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we were here before.
Yeah, isn't that cool? You see it right there? Ezra, you see it? Right over there, look. Right there, you see it turning his head? See? You see it? See? Yeah, Karen's been here before, one time. But I haven't, and it's pretty nice. The restrooms were closed, but it's pretty nice regardless. But Karen's been here. Huh, babe?
Yeah, but I didn't explore the trails because it was kind of hard with the kids.
Somebody woke up already. Somebody woke up. So silly.
Guys, come over here. Maybe someone is a snake.
Think so?
Maybe a lizard did that.
Think so? Yeah, slugs.
Yeah.
Looks like it. Mm-hmm.
Sounds like you missed it. I saw baby ones. They're running away.
I don't know. I knew. Oh, really? What you gonna do? Oh, okay. Alright, we're gonna head back now. And see how long that was. It was a nice little hike. Different kinds of trails, some more easy, some more bumpy. But last time Karen was here, she said she couldn't really go hiking because the trails are sometimes too bumpy. Yeah. And the tougher trails are not really stroller friendly, too many bumps and up and down. So, but this time I was able to help her with the stroller a little bit. Oh, we saw a bunny too. We're gonna see where it is. You got hurt a little bit. Let's see where. Where? Ezra, point with this hand. Where? Point where? There? Maybe it was poison ivy a little bit. That's all, folks. Upper Newport Beach Bay, Upper Bay, Newport Beach Nature Preserve or something like that. It was pretty cool. They blocked off a lot of stuff because it's Memorial Day. Maybe that's why. But it was pretty cool nonetheless. Got a little walk with the kiddos. Gotta go outside and just have an off day. Memorial Day. So now we're gonna go home and get the week started. Peace.